London is a paradise for shoppers. There are a lot of amazing shopping malls and department stores full of shops where you can buy everything. Shopping is always a great pleasure. We can also go shopping for noble reasons. In what way? Let us see. There are more than 180,000 charity organizations that exist in the United Kingdom. The most famous are Oxfam, Age Concern, the RSPCA, the British Heart Foundation, and Marie Curie Cancer Care. Such organizations not only raise money for charity but also run charity shops. The first charity shop in the United Kingdom was established by Oxfam in Broad Street, Oxford. Now Oxfam has over 650 charity shops in the United Kingdom. The items for sale are usually second-hand and donated by common people. People bring books, CDs, clothes and shoes, accessories, household items, toys and games, furniture and costumes for special occasions. There are bargains for everyone. Some charity shops also sell new goods. In Oxfam stores, for example, you can find eco-products, new gifts and new jewelry. Many of the people who work in these charity shops are unpaid volunteers, so most of the profits from charity shops go towards charity organizations. Now let's leave Great Britain for Russia. There are only 2,500 charity organizations that work in Russia. The most famous are Give a Life and the Naked Hearts. Such organizations usually don't run charity shops. Almost all of Russia's thrift stores are private initiatives, typically run by energetic young people who are eager to make our world better. Russia's first charity shop, Spasibo, that means thank you, was established by 3 Russian students full of enthusiasm for helping others several years ago in St. Petersburg. The shop has also become a venue for master classes, exhibitions, concerts and book exchanges. The staff receives several tons of clothes and shoes, books and toys. Only about 10% of these items end up being resold. The rest are given away for free to those who are in need. The prices in such shops in Russia are not really low because they have to pay high taxes. Well, let's compare British and Russian charity shops. There are more charity organizations and charity shops in the United Kingdom than in Russia. Big British charity organizations run charity shops, whereas in Russia, charity shops are usually established and run by active young people. Both British and Russian charity shops sell second-hand items, but in Britain, some of them also sell new things. British charity shops sell goods at very low prices.